Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a summer casual lookbook, and this is mainly gonna have a lot of Shein and other brands, and I'm so excited to show you guys the outfits that I came up with because I know a lot of you guys like my style and want to see me kind of see how I style my clothes. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you get notified every time that I upload. And also, if I do have a discount code with any of the brands that I'm going to be talking during the video, then I'm just going to have them here as well as on the description box below. So now we can start with the video. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the outfit that I'm wearing. It's so pretty. So first I'm going to start with the details. Like I said, I was going to say what palette I was using. And for today's makeup, I'm actually wearing the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. This one came in a BoxyCharm. So this is what I used. The tutorial is already on my TikTok if you would like to see. And on my lips, I'm using the Life Glam Wild Cherry collection lipstick. And I feel like it was just like the cutest thing because I recently just got this top, this cute earrings, and I don't know, I just feel like cherry. Okay, so for my hair, I did something really simple, and I just have a half up bun, and then this is my natural hair, and I kind of just slicked my bangs. I have a clip from Shein. My earrings are from the store Kato, and they're just cute cherries. I don't have really any accessories other than my evil eye bracelet that I got from my mom. Okay, now for the outfit. Okay, so my cherry top is from a store called Bloom Chic, and I'm gonna be introducing them in a YouTube video, so keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna mention that top there. The top that I'm wearing underneath is a top from Shein. It's just like a spaghetti strap. My shorts, you guys already know, are from Shein. You guys already saw them in one of my try on hauls. And I'm wearing my white bands. For accessories, I'll probably take this really cute sunnies from Shein. So that's how they look. And this cute backpack that I got from Guess. Okay, so I don't really have much space on my room, so I'm trying my best so you guys can see my full outfit, but this is how it looks like. So for the second outfit, my accessories. So my earrings are from AliExpress. I got them a long time ago and they look really nice. So yep, same hair clip, same makeup. And my necklace is from Tiffany. I actually have a video on it if you would like to see the review. So pretty much I didn't change much, I just changed the top. Okay, so the top is actually a bathing suit, like a one piece, and it's from Shein, of course, and it's just like like a neon orange, and it looks so beautiful. It's so bright, and since it's a bathing suit, it's perfect for a pool party or if you're going to the beach or something. But yeah, so I'm wearing my white bands. Actually, I would like to wear this outfit with my checkerboard bands, but for some reason I cannot find them, so I'm just wearing my white bands with the same sunnies and the same backpack. So yeah. For the next outfit, we have this cute milkmaid top that I got from Shein, and I also featured in one of my past Shein videos, and they have these exact top in a bunch of different colors. I'm pairing it with this cute Betsy Johnson little like clutch bag. that I got from I got this one from Burlington. Okay, so my bottoms are from Rebdolls and my little sandals are from a local boutique. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna show them to you up close. So this is how the sandals look like, just in case you guys were wondering. So they're really cute and they are from a local boutique. For the accessories, I'm also wearing the same jewelry, and yeah, cute. Okay, so I changed the necklace. So it's a cute like diamond with butterflies. I do have the matching earrings, but I don't have them with me right now. So the ones that I have on are gonna work for now. Okay, so the bag, this one I got from Ross, and I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag, so keep an eye out for that. So yeah, this bag from Ross. And for the shoes, I'm wearing these that I already shared with you guys on a shoe haul, and I got these from Walmart, so that's what I'm gonna be wearing. First, I'm gonna start with the top. The top is from Shein as well. I already showed it to you guys in one of my hauls. So it's just so pretty, so vintage, and I love it, especially with this outfit. Okay, so I hope you guys can see the whole outfit, but this is just so cute and like so vintage. So the jeans are from Rebdolls, like I said. For the last outfit, I'm gonna be wearing the same clutch in nude that I showed from Betsy Johnson, as well as the same nude flats. The top is from Shein, as well as the jeans, and they're like mom jeans. So that's pretty much everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed my outfit ideas. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social medias, and if you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comments what type of outfit ideas would you like to see on the next video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.